Hi everyone, I'm Nadia.
And I'm Zion. Welcome to Confident English Daily. Today we're doing a full English listening practice about daily life. We'll talk naturally about our routines, challenges, and feelings.
Yes, Zion. Let's start with mornings. How does a typical morning look for you?
I usually wake up at 6:45. The first thing I do is drink water and open the window for fresh air. Then I pray and make a simple breakfast, mostly eggs, fruit, and tea. What about you?
My mornings are a bit slower. I wake up around 7:10. I make my bed first because it gives me a sense of order. After that, I have breakfast while listening to English podcasts. It helps me practice listening every day.
That's smart. I try to do the same but often get distracted by my phone. Do you face that problem?
Yes, all the time. I keep my phone in another room while eating. It really helps me stay focused. After breakfast, I get ready for work. What do you do during your commute?
I take the bus, which takes about 40 minutes. I usually listen to English audio or review new vocabulary. It turns travel time into learning time. How about your commute?
I walk for 15 minutes and then take the metro. Walking is my favorite part because I can observe people and think in English. I describe what I see in my mind. The streets are busy, cars are honking, everyone is rushing to work.
That's a great habit. Now let's talk about work or study time. How do you stay productive during the day?
I use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work and 5 minutes break. It prevents burnout. I also try to speak English with colleagues during lunch. What about you?
I set small goals every morning. For example, finish this report before lunch. In the afternoon, I feel tired, so I take a short walk. Evenings are for family and relaxation. How do you unwind in the evening?
I cook dinner while listening to music or English videos. After eating, I read a book for 20 to 30 minutes. It helps me improve vocabulary and calm my mind before sleep.
Reading is powerful. I sometimes journal in English, just 3 to 4 sentences about my day. It feels difficult at first, but gets easier.
Exactly. Even if the sentences are not perfect, the practice is what matters. One thing I've noticed is that small, consistent habits in daily life make the biggest difference in English improvement.
I agree completely. Sleep is also very important. I try to sleep by 11 p.m., so I wake up fresh. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:45, I avoid screens 1 hour before bed. It really improves my sleep quality and energy for the next day.
These small things really shape our daily life. So friends, try to describe your own daily life in English using these natural expressions.
Yes, start small. Talk about your morning, afternoon, and evening. Practice every day, and you'll become more confident and fluent.
Thank you for listening. We hope this conversation helped you with real English listening practice.